All right, I'm the flat rate master. Today we're talking about killing it on flat rate, but not killing yourself. All right, so what I mean by that is you hear a lot of guys that are in flat rate. Yeah, man, I shoved a sandwich in my mouth at lunch and then went right back to it, hammer and hammer and hammer, and I went in early, I stayed late, and I'm here to give you a warning. That is really, really, really hard on your body. You want to talk about suffering on later in life? You know, make a couple extra bucks now, and later in life you're, all stooped over because you've just destroyed your body. You need to pace yourself with everything in life, moderation. Now, obviously, we're flat rate, so we want to do as many hours as we can. You got to moderate. You can't work. It's one thing to stay late to make sure that customer gets their car back. It's one thing to work through lunch to get started on the next big job. You want to knock out that small job so you can get on to the big job. That's fine. But if you're doing it every day, if you're going dark 30 to 10 o'clock at night every night, your body will fight back. You will have many problems later in life, maybe right now. So you got to moderate it. Here at the shop, I can tell you right now, at noon, you see my butt walking that way towards my truck because I'm going to lunch. I don't skip lunch. Now, I don't even eat lunch. I go smoke a cigar. The only days I eat lunch is on Wednesday and Friday when we do shop cookouts and we all kind of hang out. I stay then and eat some food, but it's not normally what I do. I normally leave the shop, watch YouTube, decompress. And the same goes for at 5:30, I'm headed to my truck. I want to go home and enjoy my life. I don't live to work, I work to live. And that's an important thing. If all you're doing is working, all the money in the world ain't gonna mean much to you if all you're doing is working. So you got to understand that. I know you're young and you're flexible and you can go on 2 hours sleep. Yeah, it's best not to. Your body will not like it. So just a little PSA to, moderate. It's one thing to work through lunch here and there. It's another thing to do it every day, Monday through Friday, Saturdays, Sundays. You want to work yourself to death, I don't advise it. So I know it was a little preachy, but thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.